Alright guys, today we have a 2011 Hyundai Sonata. We're gonna change these brake pads in here. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna need number 14 millimeter to remove the two bolts back here. Let me lift up my camera so you can see. This is one here and there's one down here, right here, where my wrench is already applied. So I'll move the light a little bit over to this side. I'll move my camera a little bit down so we can see better, just like that. So you take your number 14 and you remove that. I'll try taking out this brake pad without removing the top bolt. So you don't need to remove the upper bolt, alright? It's pretty greasy in there. Alright, so you can take this apart and see if this doesn't have a grease. You can put grease in there. So simple job. 1, 2, 3. You take the brake pads and you pull them out. You can put a flathead screwdriver in the middle. So what I'll do, this is bothering me a little bit, I'll push it out the way. You put something in between here and you can push out the other brake pad. Once you have that out, you're gonna clean these shims up a little bit. This look pretty good, so you don't have to do much there. Alright, so we'll take the brake pads. You're gonna pay attention to this sensor here. This sensor was on the inside, it was on the bottom. So what we'll do is we'll take this one, we'll put it the same way in the bottom, and the other brake pad goes on the other side. What you can do next is you can take these pins out, put a little bit of grease on them. Just like that, not too much, and push that in. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other one. Oops. After that, you're gonna compress this piston back. Oh, they changed the design here. You didn't tell me that. So we're gonna compress that piston, but they've made this caliper different than all these other cars. So we're gonna have to figure this one out. So we got that piston back in the spot. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this caliper back together and you're done. So all you do is you take that 14, Alright, so we got the caliper in there.
What's up? What's up? Hold tight.
And then you take the number 14 and you tighten that bolt up. And you're done. Alright, after that, make sure you pump your caliper, and that's how you do brakes on a Hyundai Sonata.